Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you the benefit of one of the weld tools that's either front minus back or back minus front. These two circles with dashes in them are identical. This one looks a lot thinner than this one. The only difference is because this one has black to the edges, so it blends into the graphic. That's not really what the video is. It's to kind of show you that. And this is really cool because if we take this away, and if we look at this in wireframe, they're individual little boxes. This would be a really good lesson for a lot of different ways. But to draw something like this is pretty easy. Let's just take an ellipse, holding down the control button to make it perfect, and hit P. I'm going to go ahead and make it like 100 points. And then I'm going to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. I'm going to go ahead and left click and right click. Didn't really have to because I could have just changed the color. But we're going to change the color. You know what? Let's make it black. Then we're going to get the interactive fill tool and we're going to swipe across it and we're going to go cylindrical. And we need this to be right in the center. That's close enough. Then we're going to get another black and put it in square tube. Square. If you notice this, you can't color this. This is a handle. When it's square, you could color it. So we need to bring this over a little bit. And I think bring that in. Let me zoom in and get back to it. Let's get the interactive fill or the color and put a little white. Now we need to put a little dark closer. And that's why your graphic needs to be right in the center, because whenever you move this, it moves it quite a bit. That's not too bad. We can still see a little bit more black up top. Let me get off there and zoom up a little bit. It's kind of a good lesson because you can kind of put like a little shadow on it. Now, but that is one group it's one item. We can actually take these away and put this in the center of the page. Now we're going to take a 2-point line and hit P, put it in the center of the page, and let's make it 36 points. Let's go to Object, convert it to an outline. We can leave it red, Control D, and let's rotate it 22.5 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now to make this work, you need to group all these together. So I'm going to take my circle out of the way and I'm going to group this together, Control G, or go up here, group, and then put this back. Now that's see, it all depends on what's on the front, what's on the back. So this, you're going to select this, it's going to get to weld tool. So you can either go back minus front, and that's what we wanted. You know, we could have gone the other way and gone front minus back, and we get a completely different look. So if you don't know what's what, just put it like that. Now let's look at it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.